Hello and welcome. This is Peg, and today I am showing you the fast version of AJOS Sharing, which is a live broadcast that Chelsea and I do each Thursday at 10:30 Central Standard Time. So today I am doing a little spring cleaning. I've been going through my studio and pulling out things, trying to figure out what I'm keeping, what I'm getting rid of, what's near to the bottom, what needs to be used up, all sorts of things that you find when you're cleaning house and reorganizing. So one of the things I like to do is to prep my paper with some double-sided adhesive before I die cut. So that's what you can see I've done, and I'm going to die cut several of these different dies just to check and make sure that they cut well. You know, sometimes you get dies, you get them home, and they're not exactly what you think they're going to be. But I also have this product. It is a glue that has either glitter or powdered pigments in them, and they're metallic or glitter. And so some of these I've used, some of them I haven't. I want to see, are they starting to dry out? Some of them have been damaged. And I want to use them on not only the die cuts, but some embossed images, and just see how they perform, how they layer on top of one another. I'm showing how to utilize the sponge applicator to apply it. It's a nice packaging that dries really quickly, and so I'm going to layer up several colors here. One is the metallic and one is the glitter, and just experimenting, seeing how this stuff works. And then I will put a die over the top and create a card out of that. So that's all I'm doing today, is experimenting with product. I want to try this on some black paper. I want to try it in a journal. So that's basically what I'm doing for today's show. And, showing how that you can stencil through it, how you can apply it using a brush and water down and just use it as a wash. So there's lots of things that you can do with this product. I just haven't had it out to play much, and because I'm spring cleaning and because I need to be trying my different products out, I've got it out here today. So in conjunction with our live broadcast on YouTube, we also have a Facebook group, and we have some challenges going on over there. One of which is the mood board for AJOS Sharing, and the color for the month in the mood board is this hot, hot pink. So you're going to see some pink coming out and being used in my projects because, yeah, it's part of that whole mood board thing that we got going on over there. And if you're interested in having some prompts and doing some different challenges and just some free content from a lot of different artists, because we have people that are contributing over there, come and join us on AJOS Sharing. I think you'll like the community. It's been a lot of fun to see what everybody's creating throughout the month. So you can see the shimmer and shine on that, and it's really a pretty image. So I'm pretty happy with that one. And then I'm going to pull out another die cut that I've done here. This one is a tree, and rather than using the frame as a frame, I'm going to cut it out and use it on my journal page. But here comes that hot pink, and I'm going to get my black journal out and use that on the black journal once I complete this card. And the thing that I've found, that because this stuff dries so quickly, it's great to do your doodling on top of it. It's opaque enough that it'll work on the black pages, and then it dries quickly enough that you can go right to the page with your pens and make those beautiful black journal pages with the iridescent colors. So that's about it from me today. I'll have some final shots for you. Oh, here's that piece that I embossed. And then I'll put more layers of color on top just to make it a little bit blingier. Got to keep layering, right? It's all about the layers. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you come and join us on Art Joy is Sharing. If you want to see the full live version, you can find Art Joy is Sharing channel here on YouTube. And then our Facebook group is Art Joy is Sharing also. So come and join us there. And I will see you again next time. So stick around and you'll see the process of finishing some of these things out. And we'll see you next week.